Hi guys, it's me. Today we're going to be making a dessert with this, it's like a shortcake kind of thing. So, these are our ingredients: peanut butter, strawberry jam, and marshmallows. And I decided I'm gonna make them awesome. This is gonna be pretty awesome. So let's get started. So first, the spoon doesn't fit, so oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna put the jam down there. It actually spread perfectly because I guess it's a little liquidy. It's not like a jam, it's just like, what's it meant for, like, ice cream? It's strawberry topping. So yeah. Now, this is probably the best part. The marshmallows. Flies. I'm just gonna place the marshmallows across my little shortcake. I have 4. Babe, can fit for 4. So this is, it's just super tiny because we got them from like the store, from like Wise. So peanut butter. Oh my gosh, what did I just do? I made a monster. I say it as if it's alive. So anyway, so I just made this idea because I was watching some baking videos on fellow YouTube. Well, then I wanted to make something, so this is what I did. So, delicious. So, now, I'm gonna put this in the microwave for like half a minute. Then, I'll be right back. I'm waiting. There's like 20 seconds left. This video's gonna be really short. So my last video I did painting on my AirPod case, and I said that the next painting video would be painting on my AirPods, but this is not a painting video, it's a baking, well, it's not baking, but, you know, hi. That's my little cousin. So, oh my gosh, it fell everywhere. So, hold on, let me just, it looks so amazing. There it is. It was pretty short, but I think it looked pretty good. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.